Today, I'm getting the Oxygen Facial by Skin Lab and Skinning. The secret to get instant glass skin glow. Step 1 is the bubble cleanser. It deeply cleanses my pores and removes buildup. Step 2 is gentle peeling to smooth and prep my skin for infusion. And step 3, using the nanojet with pure serum. This pushes the serum deep into my skin for deep hydration. And step 4 is the pure serum. It's a lightweight fast absorbing skincare. And step 5 is a deep sea mask, cooling, soothing, and restoring moisture. Plus, I have a 5-minute shoulder massage. And step 6 is infused moisturizer. It seals all the goodness and protects the glow. And lastly is the sunblock, your daily screen protector. And here's the result: fresh, plump, hydrated, with an instant glow. Try the Oxygen Facial at Skin Lab and Skinning. Book now and experience your glow transformation. Thanks for watching. Bye.